Unahin ko na to, double bell na 1911 tuloy. M92 Taurus para kay bossing Jasper ng Pangasinan. So na metal slide, metal frame, may kasamang case na, and then may cleaning rod na rin kasama. Magazine is 26 rounds. May extra ano na rin, nozzle na rin. Price nito is 3,900. Makikita nyo sa budget meal folder natin. Okay. So again, M92 Taurus, check nyo na lang sa budget meal folder natin. And then next, para kay Sir Eddie ng Lanao del Norte. So yung kay bossing is WE 1911 na floral or yung drag lord. So naka metal slide, metal yung lower frame. And then naka ano to guys, naka sale to . So outer barrel is threaded, single stock magazine. So test na rin natin. Price nito is 7,500. Check nyo na lang guys. And then ito pipick upin lang to. ENC 2101 or yung 5.1 high kappa nila. Price nito is 4,000. Makikita nyo rin sa budget meal folder natin. And then magazine is 26 rounds, high kappa magazine. So for inquiries, PM lang kayo sa page natin. Again, ang bago nating page is Mavs Hobby Shop. Thank you!